Ever spend more time looking for the right socket than actually turning bolts? You're not alone. And let's be honest, the pile method isn't exactly a long-term solution. Now imagine all your sockets. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, cleanly lined up and ready to go. Not in a drawer, but in your hand, on your bench, or at the job site. Yeah, portable and organized. Socket organizers usually force you to pick bulky and stuck in your toolbox, or flimsy plastic trays that snap the second you look at them wrong. And forget trying to rearrange sizes. Most of them are locked in place like it's 1998. Meet the 90 slot portable aluminum socket tray. Your new best friend in the fight against shop clutter. It holds up to 90 sockets across 4 rows. 30 for 1/4, 40 for 3/8, and 20 for 1/2 inch drive. Made from anodized aluminum, it's lightweight, but tough enough to handle daily abuse in a pro shop. The dual pivoting handles make transport a breeze, from toolbox to bench to engine bay. And the best part? Removable clips. You want to swap in 3/4 inch clips? Do it. Mix your drives? Go for it. This tray works for your setup, not the other way around. Whether you're in the garage or on site, there's no reason to let your sockets live in chaos. The right tray doesn't just organize your tools, it sharpens how you work. This is Grease and Gears, the podcast where smarter setups lead to better builds. Keep it cool and greasy.